So Bob Duffy, Microsoft MVP, will be in Galway this week to deliver a demo of DAX Studio, which is a free tool. And here is the URL for DAX Studio, where you can download the free program. I've already done that. Here, that's DAX Studio here, 2.8.4. That's the version I'm using today. Now what we're going to do is we're going to look at two different DAX formulas that give the same result and figure out which one is better. So here's my PBIX file, my Power BI file, and this is all to do with my hometown of Ballinasloe in Galway, County Galway, and the rain we got in November 2009, which was, you can see it there, 280.4 millimeters. Caused a lot of problems here. And I've just done two measures now just to calculate basically that same number for November rain 2009. This is the first measure here. Using a SUMX and an if function. And this is the second measure here, giving the same answer but using a calculate. Which of these two is quicker? So I'm going to use DAX Studio to investigate. So first thing I need to do is to connect to the Power BI file, the PBI file. Click here, and there we have it. And I just do connect. So it's just establishing the connection. So it's made the connection. Now I just want to click on server timings because that's how I want to time it. Now I'll get the two measures here. So this is the first one and this is the second one. So click there and right click, define measure. So the measure here will be defined here. Then I need to evaluate that and return it as a table. So it's going to be result, and we call it, so let's leave here, close that. So row is a table, so the DAX Studio only deals with tables. So I just want to change the measure, just the name here, just have it local here. So November rain 1. Make this one November rain 1 as well. Just that they're different than what I have it in the file, Power BI file. Now one good thing about the DAX Studio is it has inbuilt DAX format, or so it's a DAX formatter. So once I'm in here and I click DAX formatter, it makes a much nicer format of my DAX, much easier to read. So this is the SUMX on the table Ballinasloe rain, and then I have an if function which has the dates there for November month, and it'll only add SUMX if it meets this criteria of being November in 2009. So that's that first one here. That looks okay. So I'm just going to figure out how long that takes by DAX Studio. So clear cache first and then run. So the results, yes, the same, 280.4, that's a table, just one row. The timings. So this says it's about 15 in total, 10 on the formula engine and 5 on the storage engine. So we'll now check the other one. So I'll just do file new, same file of course. And I look at the second one here. So right click on that one, define measure, jumps up here. You need to evaluate that measure into a table. Oh, okay. So just to make sure that it's within here, it's November, just have a different name, so it's local to this query here. And of course I have the nice format. So on this one here, it's using the calculate function. So first applies the filter of the November month in 2009, and it totals it up. That's what that's doing. So we just check what and the row, of course, is just to get the result out as a table. So we'll just see how that one measures up in timing. So clear cache and run. Sorry, I just forgot to do this. You need to click here first. So clear cache and run. So 280.4, that's the same answer, correct answer. And timings here are that bit better. 4 and 4, 4 in the formal engine and 4 in the storage engine, 8 ms in total. And of course in the first one we did about 15 ms. So it's indicating that the measure of the formula with the calculate is that bit quicker. So please come along anyhow to Bob W, Microsoft MVP in Galway on Tuesday this week. He'll have way more details than I have here on how to use this great free tool that works with your DAX formulas in Power BI.